Here are some popular ways to make money online. Freelancing. Offer your services in a specific area such as writing, graphic design, programming, or consulting on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys on websites like SurveyJunkie or Swagbucks. Selling products. Start an e-commerce store on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon and sell physical products or sell digital products such as ebooks or courses. Affiliate marketing. Promote other people's products on your website or social media and earn a commission on sales made through your referral links. Content creation. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram account and monetize it through advertising, sponsored posts, or affiliate marketing. Online tutoring, teaching. Teach or tutor students in a specific subject through platforms like VIPKid or Teachable. Web development. Offer web development services to clients and create websites for them. Stock photography, footage. Sell your photographs or videos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock.